What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to share an app on iPhone. Now this is a super helpful way if you have a friend that's looking to download an app but they can't necessarily find it from the App Store, or you're just trying to link it to them so that they don't have to go out of their way to go on the App Store and download it. What this link is going to do is just going to take them directly to the App Store, and then they can just download it from there, and it makes it super simple. It is a pretty super simple process as well to send them the link in the first place. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the app that you want to send the link for, and if you just hold down on that app, it's going to bring up this menu here, and it should be the second drop down. It could be a lot more depending on the app, but what you're going to do is hit the share app button, and it's going to bring up this menu from here. And if you're sending it through iMessage, you could obviously see my contacts at the top there, and you could send it directly to a contact if you want to, but your best bet is probably going to just click the copy link button, and that way you could just have the link to copy and paste whenever you're ready to go. But that's what the link is going to look like once you actually copy and paste it. It's just going to be a long link with the name of the app followed by some numbers, but as you could click on it, you could see now that it takes you to the App Store, and it takes you to that exact app that I was trying to share earlier. Like I said, this is super helpful because this is what your friend is going to see or whoever you're sending it to, and it's going to take them directly to the App Store, and now they really have no excuse not to download it, as that button is going to be right there for them to download. But that is really all I have for you today. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, don't be afraid to comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.